Okay, today, because we're waiting on parts to finish Albert, you know, like the underlay and all the other parts, but they should be arriving soon, maybe tomorrow. Anyway, in the meantime, I'm going to be working on this. See, now is the hood of Albert. As you can see, we've got rust. It's solid at the back. It's just a surface rust here. And what we're going to do there, we're going to use this stuff here, which basically you paint on, and it will seal this and make it hard and prevent it from rusting. And then once it's done that, I'll paint it and then make it all nice and smooth. That's the job we're going to do, and that's the job I'm going to do. I'll let you know how it goes when I start grinding it down. Bye. And this is what's going to turn the rust, stop the rust from getting rusty and turn it solid. I've done all the rusting protections. Now we have to leave this on for two hours. And it'll go rock solid, and then I'll be ready for preparing it for paint. Okay, I'm sanding down the filler all the way along until it's absolutely smooth. And once that is done, then the whole inside of the hood is going to be sprayed and lacquered like the outside. So all this will be red as well. Okay. Right. Today we're working again on Albert. We're just doing the seat belts. The seat belts are now, because they're beige colour, we're now going to turn them black. Seat belts out. Here's the beige ones. So now we're going to turn them black, so they'll go with the black and white interior. So far we're getting there. The seats, the interior should be done within the next day or two, and then we'll give you an update on how the interior looks with the new seats. Bye for now. Okay, I've decided to insulate the whole back with soundproofing. Took out the seat belts, so the whole back of the car, as you can hear at the moment. Don't like the sound of that, it's too noisy. So I've decided to continue the soundproofing all the way. Back panels, back of the seat, even down the wells inside the car. It's going to be insulated and waterproofed. So there you go. I'm finding jobs as we go along, but I want it right. Albert deserves it. Bye for now. Okay, these are the seat belts that were in Albert, and as you can see, they're like a beige colour. And the interior theme, as you all those have been following, is black and white. So sometime today, soon anyway, we're going to paint all these with that fabric paint in black. So our seat belts will be black. Okay, black seat belts, ready for going in. So when these are in, then we can put the interior in, because obviously you can see the anchor points here need to be installed in Albert before we can put the interior back. But there they go, they're ready to go in. Bye for now.